Okay, so another lesson really quick on ratios. Remember, a ratio is comparing two or more things. Okay? So that's what a ratio is, comparing two or more things. Usually it's just two things, but very often it can be more. Okay, so this is the worksheet that I'm going to put up for you guys. I'm going to do a couple of these problems, and then I'm going to let you guys work on it. Okay, so, and if you can't print the worksheet, don't worry about it. Just write the answer in your math journal and take a picture. Okay, a farmer has 5 pigs, 13 chickens, and 8 cows. They want to know the ratio of cows to pigs. Now remember, there's 3 ways to write a ratio. There's with a colon, as a fraction, or with the word to. They all mean the same thing, so don't forget that. Okay, so we want cows to pigs. All right, so cows, 8 has to go first, which means it could be one of these two. And pigs, 5 pigs, so 8 to 5. So if you have the worksheet, you can simply draw the line, or for number 1, you can simply write 8 to 5. And then I'm going to just cross that one off, okay? And then chickens to pigs. Chickens goes first, so 13 chickens. So this is the only one that has 13 first, so it has to be that one. But look at how they're like, oh, well, there's a 13 here, but no, it's not that, because chickens have to go first, so it's got to be this one. So 13 colon 5. Okay? Easy, right? This is a really easy page. They're going to get harder. All right? So that's how you do the first 1 through 16. You just take a look at the numbers. I like to circle them or underline them, make sure that you understand it. Okay, let's go down here. So that's 1 through 16, super easy. Then 17 through 20 is talking about a baseball team. And the baseball team has, let me get a different color, has 4 pitchers, 10 outfielders, 12 infielders. You're going to also, for this one, you're going to need to know how many total on the baseball team. That's for number 20. So let's do number 20. Okay, so here we go to number 20. Outfielders to the entire team. Okay, so how many outfielders? And once again, I like to write the words. So I'm going to put out on the top, meaning outfielders, of course. I'm lazy. To all. The outfielders to the entire team, or to all of the kids on the team. Okay? So outfielders, how many we have? 10. And the entire team means you have to add up all 3. So this is 14 plus 12, 26. So 10 to 26. Okay? Now it does say in the directions, write each ratio in all 3 forms. All 3 forms, don't forget that. It does say to simplify these, so don't worry about simplifying them, I guess. Normally they're going to have you simplify them, but it doesn't say that, so let's not. So you're going to write it as a fraction, as a colon, and also the word with the word to. Oops, went off the page. Went onto my other page. There we go, 26. Hopefully you can see that. I should have just put it down here. So 10 to 26. Let me just cross that. Okay. Questions on that? Hopefully not. If you have questions, come to Zoom or tomorrow's science. So you can ask me on Thursday on Zoom, or you can ask me on Google Classroom. Okay? So then 17, 19, and 18, you'll use this information. Now down here, we're talking about red tiles and yellow tiles, and here they want simplest form. Don't forget that. And they want red to yellow. And then for number 22, they're using this chart over here. They've got a movie club and an art club. How many girls and boys in the movie club? How many girls and boys in the art club? They want the greater ratio of girls to boys. Which club? Now, you're going to have to simplify this. So let's do number 22 together, because they decided to be kind of tricky here. So let's do 22 together. So they want to know which has a greater ratio of girls to boys. So we'll put girls on the top, boys on the bottom, and this is for the movie club. Okay, movie club. So for girls, we've got 16 over 14, and then we need to simplify. What's our giant 1? What is our giant 1? Let me make this a little bigger so we can all see it. Okay, so our giant 1, what do we divide by? Well, we know 2 goes into both of them, so let's do 2. Divide by 2 over 2, and you get 8 over 7. So the movie club is for every 8 girls, there are 7 boys. Okay, now let's do the other club. Let's do the art club. I'll do that underneath art. The art club. And girls to boys again. And this is 8 to 4. Now we need our giant 1. Let's do our giant 1. Hopefully you're not thinking our greatest common factor is 2, because it's not here, it's 4. So we divide by 4 over 4, which equals 2 over 1, which equals 2. Well, which one has a greater ratio? Well, the answer here is 2. For every 2 girls, there's 1 boy. Here, for every 8 girls, there are 7 boys. What we should probably do is change this to a mixed number, which I tell you not to do. If you know fractions well enough, you should be able to see what this already is, but let's just do the math on it. So over here we're going to divide, because this means to divide, 7 into 8. And 7 goes into 8 one time, and 1 times 7 is 7. We subtract. So this answer is 1 and 1/7, because this one goes on the top, and this 7 stays on the bottom. So this is 1 and 1/7. This is 2. Which one has a greater ratio of girls to boys? Well, the art class does. So the art club, not the art class. So I would put a star to show that this was my answer right here. Okay? Do you guys see how I did that? We used a little bit of everything. We've got ratios, we've got simplifying fractions, we've got fractions to mixed numbers. Okay? Because there's only 1 and 1/7 here, where here there's 2. This one's a bigger number. Okay? Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll put this worksheet up, and we'll see you tomorrow.